Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable access to your location by voice memos on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down and tap on voice memos. Once you are here, you want to tap on location, and here you can adjust if you want to give access to the location by voice memos or not. So you have free option, never, so don't give access, ask next time or when I share, or while using the app. So if you choose between those two, by giving the access, you can give the access to the precise location or just the location, the approximate location, so around 30 minutes off or 50 meters off your current location that is going to be saved. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.